Good morning and welcome to Ellon Academy's virtual assembly for Friday the 2nd of October 2020. The theme this week is about determination, which is a quality that many people have, and those with determination find that it serves them well as a quality in all walks of life. The quote that's on screen just now is a Japanese proverb, and it says, "Fall down 7 times and get up 8." And this is all about perseverance and having that determination to keep on trying. I had a friend who had a heart attack a few years ago, and he told me after he'd recovered from that heart attack that the medical professionals tried to revive him 7 times. They tried to bring him back to life with the electrical charges 7 times, and they were about to give up when one doctor said, "Give it another go." And on the 8th attempt, they managed to get his heart beating again. And that's quite a powerful story, a true story, that people didn't give up on him and gave it that one more shot, and it was successful. So whatever life throws at you, and you may come across lots of adversity in life. Adversity in the main is only temporary, and it's about your attitude to adversity, how you cope with it and how you deal with it and process it. That is important to how you succeed in life. Because if people give up at the first hurdle, then things are going to be very difficult to achieve. And it is about keeping trying and keep persevering to try and get to what you want to achieve. Also on the theme of determination, you have to be determined and take your own learning into your own hands. And this quote says, "If you're not willing to learn, no one can help you. It doesn't matter what great teaching you have or teaching experiences. If you're not open to that learning, it just won't happen." So if you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. And if you have that drive and determination to actually succeed in everything you do, you will get there, absolutely guaranteed. So what is determination? Well, it's relentless pursuit for success, and relentless means non-stop. You keep that goal in mind and you go for it with everything that you have. A pursuit is like a chase, it's like a leading for success, and you chase it down and you make it happen. It's also about perseverance, as I've said, that attitude that you keep going regardless of how hard it is, and you really push yourself, because actually in most cases you surprise yourself what you can achieve with just a little effort. And resilience is being able to bounce back and to recover from any setbacks. And all of these things that determination is also about a growth mindset in recovering well from setbacks, keeping trying, and actually rewarding yourself for the efforts that you've put in, not just the results or the outcomes, but the efforts that you've put in on that journey to whatever it is you're trying to achieve. And the desire to prove that you can. Many people will tell you in life, and it's not the best advice, that, "Oh, you're not good enough for that," or "You're not able to do that." Ignore that advice. That's bad advice. And ignore and embrace the people who encourage you and say, "Yes, you can. Yes, you can do this, and you can prove to yourself that you can achieve what you want to achieve." And it's also, determination is a power to get to your goals, whatever your goals are in life. And it doesn't have to be just career or academic goals. It can be goals in your personal life, your life outside school, the things you want to achieve in your interests and in your hobbies, and where you want to get to in life. And determination is the key to success. No successful individual or famous person has got to where they are at the top of their career or their profession or sport or art. They are determined people, and they've kept trying. And there are so many stories of famous people who've had a very winding road to success, and it hasn't always been straightforward for them. So my message to you, and in particular to our senior pupils, is study hard and study smart. And it's this whole idea that the road to assessments and exams is not a sprint. It shouldn't be done at the last minute. It is a marathon. It has to be paced and timed and worked out slowly. And with whatever is going to happen in this academic year, we don't yet know. There will be an announcement from the Deputy First Minister on Tuesday, the 6th of October, about SQA exams. But at this moment in time, we really don't know what's going to happen. So every test and every assessment counts just now, because if we have to rely on estimates and things in the future, you're banking that right now, and that's where the marathon kicks in, that you have to keep working hard at all times and keep that determination alive. The quote for this next coming week, the week beginning Monday the 5th, is a quote from Will Smith. And obviously, Will Smith is a very famous actor and has been successful in his life. But success didn't always come easily to Will Smith. He had personal struggles to overcome as well. But he says, amongst many things, he says, don't chase people. Be yourself, do your own thing, and work hard. The right people, the ones who really belong in your life, will come to you and stay. And we need to bear in mind that there are many, many influences in our lives and many people who will try to influence our lives. But most of us know what's right and wrong, and the right thing to do and the wrong thing to do. And as Will Smith says, doing your own thing and working hard is that key to success through your own determination to succeed and do well. Thank you for listening today. And next week, the assembly will be on Friday again, because it's the last day of term before you go off on your 2-week October break. Thank you.